Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a phone number on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on You, found at the middle. Then next you're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Account Security. So as you can see, there's the mobile phone number option. You're going to click on Add. So you guys can enter your phone number. You guys could also see what locations are available to insert your phone number. So if you're from that area, you guys could use it. Then now you're going to insert your phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Submit. So now we've added a phone number. So that's how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.